Hello, AnalystRising is back. It has been a couple of months since my last post, and I'm sorry for that, but essentially it's because of the same problem that we've all been having, which is COVID, where my job has changed slightly with changing priorities, and my personal life I've had to sort of change slightly as well with changing restrictions being lifted and added again, lifted and added again, and so on. Just a reminder that if you do like any of my videos and you do like any new videos coming up, then please do pledge an amount to my Patreon page, and your name will be called out in the next video, and it will also appear, and it will be permanently lodged in the videos of my channel. Just a reminder, what this channel is basically a step-by-step video tutorial on sort of analytical tools and programming right from the very beginning and going up to sort of intermediate level. And so what the channel is aimed for is for complete beginners or beginners looking to learn more about data, programming and specialized analytical tools. It's also for sort of intermediate or expert level people who are quite good at programming and coding and using tools such as Tableau and Spotfire and Python. But they just want a reminder of a few things. They just want a bit of a refresher. And also, it's also open to anyone who's interested in coding and artificial intelligence and basically how programming works and how these new softwares and apps and tools get built. So just a reminder, where we left off last time, I was showing you how to build and visualize networks using Python. I was also in the process of building like a new text editor, similar to sort of Microsoft Word, like more of a basic version of that. And so what I'll do is I'll continue with those videos and I'll finish on a nice level with those, and then we'll sort of move on to some new stuff. We'll continue with Python, but move on to something new as well. So going forwards, what I'll do is, in this situation that we're all in, I'll try and do 2 videos, but most likely it'll be 1 video per week, just 1 video. I will continue with Python, but then I'll also move on to something else. For example, there's great softwares out there for AI, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and basically what you can do there is you can start to have your program and your algorithm that you've created start to recognize everyday objects around you. And then also we'll move on to maybe developing a few apps. I've developed an app before in my past using Android SDK or Android Studio, and I'm going to show you a bit to do with that as well. And then we'll also move on to sort of Tableau and sort of Spotfire, but those require sort of monthly memberships, and so that's where any income from this channel, it will go into sort of monthly memberships once I start earning a bit more on this channel, to help you develop more. So that is it for this video. It's just a short one, just to explain to you what the channel is about, where we're heading off, and apologizing for not posting a video in a while. So sorry for not posting a while, but going forwards, we've got some really great stuff. So if you're seeing this video on this channel for the very first time, subscribe to this channel, watch some past videos, and get ready for some great videos in the future. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you very much for staying with me, and I hope you've learned a lot in the past, and stay subscribed to learn a lot more in the next videos. Thanks very much for watching.